Hi guys, my name is Liana Weakley. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe down below. And today we're going to do how to make a snowflake for Christmas. Let's get started. Number 1, fold the paper in half in a triangle way. 2, cut the square out of the triangle. 3, fold the triangle again in half to make a triangle. After you cut it and fold it to another triangle, then you get scissors again and cut the sides, but not all the way. And you need to do three of those. After you cut those corners or sides, I don't know how you call them, then you unfold it and you have a shape like this. Then when you did that, then you get tape, and then you tape the corners of these. Then you flip and you do the same thing. And you flip again and you do the same thing. After you did that, this is the shape, one of the snowflake ends or corners, I would say. And then you have to make 5 more of those, and I'll be right back. I am back and I made all 5 petals for the snowflake. And then now what you do, you take the tape and glue these sides of the tips together. So you tape all the sides of the tips of the snowflake together. And then there's the 2 of those attached. And then you do the same thing over. 3rd one. And then you separate them. And then I'll show you the last step. Okay, the last step is to tape the middle of the corners of the snowflake. And then you attach them together. And you do that all around. And this is how you make the snowflake. I hope you enjoyed this video, how to make a Christmas snowflake. And if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye!